All right, today we are at 106 Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon. We've started off the series with 114 sector. Basically, we're covering the whole of Gurgaon so that my audience can have a pretty good idea what's going inside the Gurgaon real estate market, what are the current prices that are going in. So, without wasting much of your time, by the way, this is the only channel that gives you 360-degree perspective about every transaction that is happening in Gurgaon. What are the current prices? By the way, these prices are not going to change very, very soon. So we're looking at a stability of another 4 to 5 months on any type of video that is being published. So whoever is watching the content can just check out the date. Which date are we posting the content on? And I think you guys would have a good understanding about the current market. So people say it's overheated and the prices of Gurgaon are going up. So, yes, it's been heated everywhere I check. And even in Dubai, even in, the good parts of India, like cosmopolitan cities like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, everywhere you talk about, even Goa, like wherever you talk, the real estate market is a boom, right? It's in a boom, boom, boom side. So any which case, so this is 106 for you guys. And the front piece of land that we see here belongs to Elan. And this is a residential tower. And you have luxury living here, right? The prices are going up, and this is one project that market says is going to be a landmark on Dwarka Expressway. The sector is on the main road. It is on Dwarka Expressway, and in front these guys have commercial, and this is the residential piece of land that Elan is developing. I feel it's very, very close to Dwarka Expressway, and I hope that the builder delivers a good quality product for their residents. All right. So what we've done in the series is we've shared every detail that is going on. We've got one request that Ashish, please do cover the upcoming launches that are happening in Gurgaon real estate market. So what we're going to do is we're going to also discuss what are the launches, right, that are going on in the current sector. So Shobha is one player that is active there in 106, and these guys would be launching the product pretty soon. It's a small land parcel. These guys, the market is calling downtown Shobha. So it's a mixed land use. You're going to have commercial on ground first and second, and on above you have a residential tower. So it's close to 200 units that we're looking at. And I think this is one good brand that is present even in the Middle East and south of India. They've done a tremendous job, and everything in Shobha is in-house. So, this is one brand that you can trust. In the last of my few videos, I've discussed that how important is pricing and location for you guys. So, this is a good location. So anybody who's want to check on the details of Shobha, so they can just type in Shobha and send it to the number. Like people watching from outside India, 091, and from Middle East, it's you guys can use Putim, right? I think WhatsApp is now working there. So, so the MRG, this is again, affordable project, not a very promising product for people looking for luxury, but somebody who's looking for economical residential property, so they can wait for another 2 to 3 years, let the possession come, and then probably just let's wait and let the builder construct. In past we've seen a few promises that have been altered by the group. So I'm not very confident on the establishment, but I feel let's wait and let's see how it's going to. The right hand side belongs to again Shobha. To the extreme right we have villas, and at the T point we have Shobha that is have a high rise. The prices have already skyrocketed to 18,000 to 19, 20,000. And this is a beautiful way, road of Upper Dwarka Expressway. So we have few products that are been coming up recently. In this month or end of like next month. So we're looking at a builder who has a legacy of more than 100 years coming up in 103, and it's again a luxury segment. It's the establishment that has a major land bank in Mumbai, and everybody has a product. So the brand is Godrej. They are coming up in 103, and anybody who wish to have a luxury living, they have a center theme of 4 acres that is totally green, and 2 twin towers and 2 single towers. These guys are coming in with 90,000 square feet of clubhouse, right? And we again have 71, that is SPR, that is the heart of Gurgaon. So most of the establishment we see around SPR belongs to Signature Global and DLF. And Signature Global, I think this is really a promising company, and anybody who's looking for end use luxury, basically what they've focused is on increasing uplifting the lifestyle. So it's true to the core for 4 BHKs. We have not seen like 2 to core establishment on SPR, and again a quality product that these guys are promising. Very deep rooted financial, and all the directors are CA, and they have a history of clean track record, and I think this is one launch that people should be looking at. Once the product is out, when the RERA is out, I'm going to give you more insights on that. By the way, this piece of land again is MRG Crown that, due to some changes in land law and the floor laws in Gurgaon and, particularly Haryana. So before we were a lot of builders were constructing stilt plus 4, but there is a hold. There is some dispute with a lot of customers with this brand, and I think these guys are still trying to sort that out. And I think most of the builders have agreed to, just have a stilt plus 3 establishment. That's why we see new launches that are they are only concentrating on ground plus 3, right? And they're not selling ground plus 4 as of now, right? So again, this is again one good project by Godrej that got the the attention in 106. A promising project, and that's why the appreciation currently trading at 18,000 per square feet, and this is one project that everybody is bullish on, and I think few of the YouTubers are pretty positive about the establishment and the brand, and I think everybody is very positive about Godrej. It's turning out to be they came up with the number one, the highest sales last year, so beating DLF, and I think they are going to the second one, I think, if I'm not wrong, second one. So and again we see a promise by DLF. So they are they're saying that they would be selling somewhere close to 36,000 crores of real estate this year, and there's massive development that is going to come. 20,000 crores, by the way, they're going to launch in Golf Course Road. Again, by people are calling it Camellias too. It's a good land parcel. A couple of towers they're coming up, and I think 50 CR is one. It's what these guys are proposing. So okay, so now we see SCOs and some plots. And this absolutely does not make sense to me, because anything that is inside or not well connected on highway current stage of the establishment that we see around does not make sense. Maybe it will make sense after 5 to 6 years, but not right now. So no investment. By the way, all the deals that are coming up on your screen, you guys are most welcome to have more in-depth information over the WhatsApp call. We try and encourage people to have a written conversation. So once you type in something or fill the form, so there is a written history that we guys can relate to, and we can understand you better. So if you guys can avoid giving direct calls and connect us on a WhatsApp, or like people from outside and Middle East like Potem, or any written conversation would be preferred. So this is CHD, right? Again, the builder's gone bankrupt here, and so this was supposed to be a very good establishment, but we should see a recovery here. Somebody would take over the project and complete this project. The prices, I don't see anybody investing, but it's a resale market. People are bullish. Gurgaon market, everybody, you have a buyer for every property. By the way, for people who want to sell their inventory, we have a form in the description. We would be entertaining only and only genuine sellers who want to sell their real estate. So these guys can, you guys can fill in the form with all the details, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you and take your feedback. All right. So 106, there's a Shobha that is coming up, and there's one Paris. I think the drone is going to go there pretty soon. So that is pretty much it about 106. And we'll still look at the deal. Okay, so Paris dues. Sounds like a good deal to me, like 12,000 per square feet. The launch price is 56. The construction quality is not bad. By the way, Paris is also coming up with a new launch on Goal Party, but I think they have learned from the past about the kitchen size, and they are trying to incorporate all the deficits that were there in the last project. And I think there's a slow player. There's the same guy who jiska doodh aata hai. So यहाँ पे I think the location is not bad. At this price, I think you can see value for money proposition. Somebody who's looking for ready to move. So, but any which case, people who are looking for a ready to move. I think SPR, golf course extension. I think, and this area, by the way, it would take some time, because all the quality constructions that we are seeing they're just launched. We've seen a group of builders launching luxury altogether, for the last 7 to 8 years, we've hardly seen luxury establishments coming on Dwarka Expressway. So people looking for luxury, I think this is the time that you guys can invest in, because it's going to take 5 to 6 years for you guys to come and shift. In next 5 to 6 years, you're going to have a massive change. All right. So this was it for this session. I'm going to see you in next episode. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And this is the only channel that would provide you updated information. It is up to you guys to go check all these sectors. In the when you just subscribe and go to our list, you can check in. We have created a video for every sector. That's how we're planning to cover the whole of Gurgaon. I don't think we're going to leave anything. We would skip a couple of sectors that are public utility, or if there's nothing to discuss about that sector, if it's a blank sector, right? So mostly we're covering the whole of Gurgaon, right? So do not miss to subscribe and like. I'm going to see you next episode. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.